Alright, Broseph, the complaint is the garbage disposal is loud. Let's see how loud it is. Keep the switch underneath the sinks. Oof. I think Joey from Blossom said it best when he said, "Whoa." Yep, that is loud. Thing is really rusty. I don't know if there's no saving this one. Just gonna replace it. Install a new one. It's a GE. This one's a GE garbage disposal. Whatever corporate buys, that's what I put in. Well, 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 look what they bought. Look what they want me to put in. A maintenance warehouse. 1/3 horsepower. I like to go at least half a horsepower. You can put Coke cans down in there. This can, I don't even know if this will take a fingertip off. Let's try to save 2 cents and then not pass the savings on to you guys. Well, that's what's going in. First thing we gotta do is we gotta get this egg salad out of here. Throw in a bucket, unplug it. I mean, I guess you're saving money on the front end, but this maintenance warehouse garbage disposal is gonna cost you on the back end. It's gonna be more issues than it's worth. Instead of just getting a good one, getting at least a half horsepower. But what do I know, you know? I've only been doing it for 20 years. What does that guy know? I take the screws out first and then I drop it. Drop it in the old bucket. I can't remember the last time I installed a maintenance warehouse anything. But hey, I don't buy the stuff. I just say, hey, we need a garbage disposal, and they buy it. I can give suggestions, but those are not usually heeded, the warnings. In this style, I give it a smack with the hammer, also known as channel locks. Let's see here. There we go. I'll drop down in the bucket. Pull this little gasket off. I mean, a half horsepower will at least chop up a Christmas tree. You know what I mean? This 1/3 ain't gonna chop up a Christmas tree. That's a real story, by the way. We got a call. This is back when we had radios. I got a call on the radio. Lex, apartment 108 says there's Christmas tree needles coming up through her bathtub, through her toilet, through her sinks. Can you go see what's going on? This was a bottom floor. So I go see, and sure enough, tubs filling up, sinks filling up with Christmas tree needles. Then I run upstairs. This goes on the bottom, by the way. Big debate. Where does this go? It goes on the bottom, the little cardboard thing. I run upstairs. I can hear like, yeah. I walk in, I had the key. She couldn't hear me knocking because of the garbage disposal, and this lady was clipping branches off her Christmas tree and putting them down the garbage disposal. So I know no 1/3 half horsepower maintenance warehouse disposal won't be doing that. I'm gonna clean this up, get it ready for some plumber's putty. Yeah, this is for the new disposal. I really don't like this kind. Gotta get this little ring off here. It can be tricky. There's my little screwdriver. There it is. Yeah, so the place where this lady was doing this with the Christmas tree, it was built in 1972. So you can imagine what kind of garbage disposal that was. That kind of garbage disposal would be a hitman's dream. She was just grinding away though. She got in trouble, you know, she got fined and all. We're like, hey, you just clogged up the entire building's plumbing. Oh, sorry about that. All this goes underneath. And we'll put this to the top with some plumber's putty. Oh, plumber's putty bucket has seen better days. That's what happens when you ride into battle after battle. Look at that thing. Look at the top. That's the top. But it didn't go bad. It didn't dry out. So we'll use it. It's still putty. Just make this into a worm and then put it around. Alright, got the plumber's putty around the hole. Grab the basket. Give it a smash. Yeah, and back to the Christmas tree story. The disposal was handling the Christmas tree fine. It wasn't the disposal that the problem. The problem was the plumbing. Backed up the whole plumbing, the building plumbing, like the 4-inch main going out. I guess all the toilet paper plus the Christmas tree needles and the little sticks. Couldn't handle it. Alright, now we're gonna go from the bottom. Check our gasket here, make sure it's not rotted. If it's not, I still use it. It's good. It's got good flex on it. Nice and mushy. If it was dry rotted, I'd take it off and reuse another one. Now here's a super important step. Don't forget, these disposals come with plugs in them where the dishwasher drains. So if you don't knock it out, the on-call guy's not going to be too happy. I just grab a flathead and a hammer. Get it out of the disposal. There it is. Now we got to put our goodies onto the basket from underneath. Let me get that plumber's putty out from around there. There we go. We got to get our goodies up here and then put the ring on. So what I do is I grab my heavy tool bag. I use a DeWalt backpack tool bag, by the way, and I set it in the sink. And that'll hold everything down while I'm pushing the ring on from underneath. Yeah, so this is the part that'll make you cuss your grandma, so guys, bear with me here. Let's see here. Stuff up there. My bag has got it weighted down so everything won't go up when I put the ring on, hopefully. I gotta adjust the bag. It is going up. Wouldn't have it any other way. Alright, try this instead. I forgot this. I usually put the box in first. That way it's flat, sitting on it. Sitting on the basket. Then the heavy bag on top. Alright, now it's gonna work. Alright, come on, you butt. Don't make me look like a fool on YouTube. I've gotten some comments saying, man, where you been, big dog? Miss your videos. Like I always say, I'm trying not to make this the Goodman capacitor channel, you know? There we go, the ring just snapped in. I can just let everything loose. We'll tighten these down. There's only so many Goodman capacitors you can change out. I don't want my channel to be that channel. Oh my God, there it is. It's using the Ryobi. Oh my God. Well, guess I better let him know in the comment section. I thought he was a professional. Oh my God. Oh my God. Oh boy. Not sure I want to stay subscribed. I mean, oh my goodness. Get that tight. Tight as a tick's booty there. That ain't coming down. Well, I will say one good thing about this El Cheapo disposal is that it's super light. Man, I don't think I've ever dealt with one that light. Kind of worries me it's so light. Oh, El Cheapo. Barato. He estado practicando español todos los días. Me gusta mirar las telenovelas para practicar. Where's the screws at? Oh my gosh, here we go. Use those screws. The screws were hiding from me. They're underneath the stopper there. Tighten the screws up. We get it tight as a gnat's booty. I think that's the saying. I think I said tick earlier. I mean, I guess either way. Alright. Whew. I think I got everything in nice and tight. We'll plug it in. A lot of people freak out when they see it's not hardwired, and I know. Hey, I didn't build a place here in Florida. We plug them in. Water and electricity? Come on. Look at that squish out. That's a good squish out. You can reuse it. Let's see, I get the stopper. We'll do a leak test here. And if it leaks, I'll blame you guys. Alright, don't forget to put your dishwasher drain hose back on. And if anybody at Maintenance Warehouse is watching, hey, you can't put the drain hose all the way on and tighten it because it hits against this. So I'm going to have to bring this up and then tighten it with my little nubby screwdriver. Yeah, I just pulled the band off and turned it around. Got it facing forward, but just not used to that with the other ones that I do that cost a little more. Alright, run some water, do a leak check, put the stopper in. I got the stopper in. It's still pretty full. It's been holding water the whole time I've been tightening the dishwasher hose. No leaks. Something's definitely happened in the past. This is all dry though, just a stain. No drippies, no leaks. We'll pull the plug and do the true test. No drips. Everything looks good. No drips. All right, big dog. Hey, we'll probably see this thing in about 3 months. What do you guys think? Leave me a comment how long this baby's gonna last. If you guys have any Maintenance Warehouse disposals experience. But we'll see you in 3 months, big dogs. Bye.